Good afternoon, my name is Stéphane Duvacher, the General Manager of the Datai in Langkawi. Welcome back for the second episode of the Chefy Series 2024. In this episode, we welcome and feature Chef Melba Nunis, known for authentic Malacca Portuguese cuisine, also known as Kristang cuisine. Unique yet elusive traditional Malaysian cuisine. Here at the Gulai House, a traditional Malay kampung house style of decor, with its floor seating, rustic table dining and subtle lighting. Chef Melba believes that good dishes is triggered by sight, by scent and by memory. And this is very much what we would like to show here at the Datai.
I'm Chef Melba Nunis. I come from Malacca. I'm Eurasian and I actually belong to a community called the Kristang community, whereby way back in 1500s the Portuguese came to Malacca and intermarried the women, the local women that were there, and that's how I come about as a Eurasian belonging to the Kristang community. I owned a restaurant called Simply Mel's in Kuala Lumpur in Bangsa South for about 6 years, and the focus was only on Malacca Portuguese food. Well, I think I totally enjoyed being, in this beautiful resort with so much nature around and all that, and also meeting wonderful people. For me especially, I'm a people person, so everybody I talked to was like, so nice and friendly. And I also did a beach demo yesterday, and that was interesting because I was able to showcase one of my local savories and get the people also to participate in that. And I think that was a real wonderful experience for me to share that with everybody out there. My mother had a little kind of a shoebox with little notes, recipes written on these slips of paper, and they were all kept in a box. When I grew up, I took over that box that she had, and it was always my interest that one day I would put all this together and come up with my own cookbook. And it was later on that my daughters actually decided to help me, and they organized the cookbook for me, and that is how I published my own cookbook, Kristang Family Cookbook.
We work as like the mother and son. I love her so much to work together. She shared the recipe from she's cooking book.
Yeah, it was really very nice. It's really nice working with Chef Jais and his team because they're so united in that sense. And Chef Jais is really a good leader because he really has a very good system and structure in the kitchen, and he's so easy to get along with, right? Even with me, I know his whole life story now. He's told me about his wife, his children. We talk about food, and there's so much similarities with the Malay food and even in my Kristang food. So we kind of exchange ideas and all that.
We are very excited to continue showcasing the diverse cuisine of Asia and Europe through those talented chefs who are shaping the cuisine from all around the globe. The next chef on the horizon is Chef Florence Dahlia, hailing from the vast vineyard of the region of Burgundy. Chef Florence's journey in Asia led her to the cuisine, or to the famous cuisine and bustling kitchen of Shanghai, Hong Kong and now Taipei in Taiwan. I am happy to announce the acclaimed Chefy's lineup of our culinary signature series. Hope to see you there.